Hello, students. I wanted to provide a quick caveat before we dive into our lessons on ethical hacking. While learning to hack and test for vulnerabilities has great educational value, it's important to only practice on authorized systems with explicit permission. The tutorials here on YouTube will teach you valuable skills, but attempting unauthorized hacking on real-world systems can lead to legal consequences. Always get written consent from system owners before testing any actual networks or applications. Only access resources that you have clear permission to test. The skills you'll learn here are powerful, so you must use them responsibly. My goal is to teach you how to find vulnerabilities so you can help build more secure systems, not to enable malicious hacking. There are legal risks to unauthorized hacking, even if you don't have bad intentions. So always stay on the right side of the law. Consider this your warning to use any hacking knowledge ethically. If you follow this advice, you'll get the most from these lessons without unnecessary risk. Now let's get started learning how to hack. But remember, always get permission first before testing any real-world systems. Let us start by looking at pynput and how it can help us with collecting passwords. Pynput is a Python library that allows you to control and monitor input devices like keyboard and mouse. So in summary, pynput gives you an easy way to monitor, record, and simulate keyboard and mouse input in Python. The pip install command is the easiest way to install it on Windows. Here are the steps to install pynput via command prompt on Windows. Open the command prompt. You can do this by pressing Windows key plus letter R and typing cmd in the run box. Type pip install pynput and watch the magic happen. Pynput should now install. You can confirm it installed successfully by importing it in Python. Remember, if you do not have Python installed on your PC, do so now by visiting python.org/download. Wait no longer if you want to build a game-changing app and require a private Python programming tutor. Enter the word "show me" in the comments section to get in touch with Mr. Michael. Let us begin by creating a keylogger in Python. What is a keylogger? A keylogger, sometimes called a keystroke logger or keyboard capture, is a type of surveillance technology used to monitor and record each keystroke on a specific computer. Keyloggers are often used as a spyware tool by cybercriminals to steal personally identifiable information, login credentials, and sensitive enterprise data. Some uses of keyloggers could be considered ethical or appropriate in varying degrees. Keylogger recorders may also be used by device owners to track possible unauthorized activity on their devices or by law enforcement agencies to analyze incidents involving computer use. These lines import the necessary modules from the pynput library. This line initializes an empty list called keys. This list will be used to store the keys that are pressed. This line defines a function named onPress that will be called whenever a key is pressed. It takes one argument, key, which represents the key that was pressed. These lines append the key that was pressed to the keys list and then call the write file function to write the pressed key to a log file. This code tries to print the pressed key. If the key has a character attribute, it prints that key's character representation. If not, it prints the special key itself. This line defines a function named writeFile that will be used to write the pressed keys to a log file. It takes a list of keys as an argument. This code opens a file named log.txt in write mode W and assigns it to the variable f. If the file doesn't exist, it will be created. This is where the keystrokes will be saved. This line starts a for loop that iterates over each key in the keys list. This line converts the key to a string and removes any single quotes from it. This line writes the modified k to the file. This line adds a space after each key for readability in the log. This line defines a function named onRelease that will be called when a key is released. It takes one argument, key, which represents the key that was released. This line prints a message indicating which key was released. This line checks if the released key is the escape key. If the released key is the escape key, It returns, which stops the listener and terminates the program. This line creates a listener object from pynput and sets up event handlers. It calls on press when a key is pressed and on release when a key is released. This line starts the listener and waits for events to occur. The listener will continue running until it's terminated by pressing the escape key as defined in the onRelease function. Save your work and click on Run. If you're new here at Coding Tutor NIG, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share it with your friends. It really helps us grow and bring you more amazing content. Now, let's dive into today's question. Is it safe to borrow a laptop from someone? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed a laptop, maybe for work or school, and someone offered to lend you theirs? It might be convenient, but is it safe? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences and insights. And now is the moment you've been waiting for. In our next episode, we're going to tackle a crucial topic: how hackers use the Keylogger scripts after saving them. We'll provide you with some valuable tips and tricks to keep your data safe. Remember, some keyloggers are sent through emails. But wait, there's more. If you want to elevate your coding skills to the next level, we've got you covered. Check out the Google form link in the video description below to begin your coding journey with our skilled tutors.